السلام عليكم التلاميذ، أتمنى أنكم بخير. واليوم يوم الخميس ونحن في الصف العربية. طيب، مرحبا في الصف الثالث الصف العربية. هل أنتم مستعدون؟ طيب. And don't forget we are doing the part 2 Arabic grade 3. طيب، هيا نبدأ الدرس. So, in the book page 78 à la page 78, we are going to explain a grammar. Alors, the affirmative subject and affirmative verb, we are going to learn how to make a sentence in negative in Arabic. Okay? Alors, follow. Alors, al-waladu yalghabu, you can see here, al-waladu yalghabu, it's a normal sentence, a nominal one, means the boy is playing. How to make these simple sentences in negative in Arabic? Okay, the first one on top was affirmative sentence, where waladu was subject, okay, al-waladu, and yalghabu was the verb. And now down, the blue is negative sentence. Let's see now how to make it negative. Alors, the subject al-waladu will stay in its place, al-waladu. The verb is there, yalghabu, but in the middle you have to put this word which is in red color there. Okay, so it's la. How do we call it? La. Alors, la is the sign of negative in Arabic, and we use it in the sentence of mudariya when the verb is present tense. Like yalghabu, the verb is in present tense fil mudariya. Alors, so we have to put this word la, okay, on appelle ça la an-nahiya, okay, we put it before the verb and the sentence becomes negative, so easy. Alors, al-waladu yalghabu, affirmative sentence, become al-waladu la yalghabu. The boy did not play, okay? Okay, alors redis al-waladu yalghabu, the boy is playing. Al-waladu la yalghabu, the boy is not playing. Okay, we have to add la in front of the verb which is in present tense. Let's see next more now. So now another example you can see here. How to say the student is studying. Alors, at-talibu yadrusu, read. At-talibu yadrusu bimakna. The student, okay, or the pupil is studying. The verb to study, darasa yadrusu. And the verb is in mudariya, present tense. Okay? Alors, now how to make this simple sentence in negative sentence. Sit down, you can see. At-talibu la yadrusu. Encore, at-talibu la yadrusu. Alors, it becomes the student is not studying. Alors, and we have placed the la, okay, the word in red color. We have put this word before the verb, okay, and it becomes negative sentence. Let's see again. At-talibu yadrusu, the student is studying. And at-talibu la yadrusu, the student is not studying. D'accord, on a compris comment on fait une phrase devenue negative sentence in Arabic when the verb is present tense, just adding the la in front of the verb. طيب. And now, in your book page 78, à la page 78, vous avez un devoir sur la nahiya. Alors, حول إلى نفي كما في المثال. Vous allez faire toutes ces phrases-là devenir négatives comme dans l'exemple. Alors, let's see the example given in the book here. You can see here, al-waladu, follow, yalghabu bil-kurati fi sharia. Encore, al-waladu yalghabu bil-kurati fi sharia. Bimarna, the boy is playing with the ball in the road. Alors, les garçons sont en train de jouer avec la boule in the road, okay, dans le chemin. Alors, how to make that sentence in negative? Al-waladu, which is the subject, we stay like that, al-waladu. And where is the verb? You can see the verb is in green color here. So the verb is yalghabu. It is in present tense, okay? Alors, just adding la in front of a verb and continue same the sentence. Alors, it become الولد لا يلعب بالكرة في الشارع. The boy is not playing with a ball in the road. طيب. Maintenant, avant de faire tous ces devoirs au bas 1 à 5, tous les mots soulignés, ce sont des verbes. Ok, les mots soulignés en couleur orange ici, ce sont des verbes. Alors, let's see the meaning of the verbs just opposite to it ici. Alors, pour l'exemple qu'on a donné, yalrabu, it's the meaning to play. Ok, yalrabu to play. And for number 1 till number 5, let's see now. You have the verb to shahidu. Ok, the word underline, the verb underline first is to shahidu, bimakna to watch. Ok, de regarder. Number 2, yaktubu. Yaktubu, bimakna to write, d'écrire. Troisième, c'est yunazwifu. Yunazwifu, bimakna to clean, de nettoyer. Et numéro 4, yaskri. Yaskri, bimakna to water, d'arroser. Et numéro 5, takra'u. Takra'u, bimakna to read, de lire. Alors, let's see the sentence now and make it orally in negative sentence. Okay? Alors, الجدة تشاهد التلفاز. Okay? جدة بمعنى grandmother is watching the television. Alors, how to do the sentence into negative? Just adding the word which is in red color on top. You add it before the verb which is underlined here. Alors, it will become الجدة لا تشاهد التلفاز. The grandmother is not watching the TV. طيب, number 2. التلميذ يكتب على السبورة. التلميذ يكتب على السبورة. The pupil is writing on the board. Make it negative now. التلميذ لا يكتب على السبورة. The pupil is not writing on the board. طيب, number 3 now. العامل ينظف الفناء. العامل ينظف الفناء. The worker is cleaning the yard. Make it negative now. العامل لا ينظف الفناء. The worker is not cleaning the yard. Number 4. الأب يسقي الأزهار. Encore. الأب يسقي الأزهار. Make it negative. الأب لا يسقي الأزهار. The father is watering the flowers. The father is not watering the flowers. Number 5. البنت تقرأ القصة. البنت تقرأ القصة بمعنى the girl is reading a story. And make it negative. البنت لا تقرأ القصة. The girl is not reading the story. طيب, vous avez compris le devoir de negative sentence. Just adding the la in front of the verb which are underlined here. And you can copy all the underlined verb in your copybook also with the meaning. طيب. Okay, now follow on page 79. You have a list of عكس. Okay? اقرأ واحفظ عكس الكلمات الآتية. C'est quoi le mot envers dans la question? عكس بمعنى opposite. Okay? عكس opposite. Alors, let's see the word we are going to recite and also the meaning you have it. Okay. يذهب بمعنى to go. يرجع to return. Okay, we are doing the recitation of the opposite of عكس again. يذهب to go. يرجع to return. Next. يشتري to buy. يبيع to sell. Again. يشتري to buy. يبيع to sell. Next. يأخذ to take. يعطي to give. يأخذ to take. يعطي to give. Next. يدخل to enter. يخرج to go out. يدخل to enter. يخرج to go out. Next. ينام to sleep. يستيقظ to wake up. ينام to sleep. يستيقظ to wake up. Last one. يفرح to be happy. يحزن to be sad. يفرح to be happy. يحزن to be sad. Okay? All the list here with the meaning you have to copy in your copybook. And last time we are going to recite. يذهب to go. يرجع to return. يشتري to buy. يبيع to sell. يأخذ to take. يعطي to give. يدخل to enter. يخرج to go out. ينام to sleep. يستيقظ to wake up. يفرح to be happy, يحزن to be sad. طيب. The second column in your book, you have بسرعة quickly, be put in slowly. Recite بسرعة quickly, be put in slowly. Next, زائد in excess, ناقص in short. زائد in excess, ناقص in short. Alors زائد, comme on a vu dans le texte, c'était en plus, vous vous rappelez, c'est-à-dire l'argent que le petit garçon avait eu en plus, ok? Alors زائد en plus et ناقص c'était en moins, in short. زائد in excess, ناقص in short. Next, أول first, آخر last. أول first, آخر last. Next, نشيط active, كسلان lazy. نشيط active, كسلان lazy. Next, جميل beautiful, قبيح ugly. جميل beautiful, قبيح ugly. And the last one, ثقيل heavy, خفيف light. ثقيل heavy, خفيف light. And last repetition again. بسرعة quickly, be put in slowly. زائد in excess, ناقص in short. أول first, آخر last. نشيط active, كسلان lazy. جميل beautiful, قبيح ugly. ثقيل heavy, خفيف light. طيب, don't forget you have to copy all these words or brackets, okay, dans le cahier with their meaning. طيب. And now follow a grammar here that we have already done, okay, we call it أسماء الإشارة. Encore, أسماء الإشارة veut dire demonstrative pronoun. So we learn the singular and also the dual. Alors let's see. For هذا ولد on your right side, هذا ولد, this is a boy. How to say that in mufanna, c'est-à-dire un duel? Regardez au bas, il y a deux garçons. On va dire هذان ولدان. Encore, هذان ولدان. Alors pour un seul garçon, on a dit هذا ولد. Et ici, هذان ولدان pour deux garçons. Alors quand vous voyez le mot terminé par ani, il faut chercher هذان. Ok? These are two boys. Next. Pour filles maintenant, هذه بنت. This is a girl. And for two girls, we say هاتان بنتان. Again, هذه بنت. This is a girl. هاتان بنتان. These are two girls. Okay? C'est ça qu'on avait appris because you have an exercise coming after that with أسماء الإشارات للمفرد singular وللمثنى dual. So on page 79 in the book, you can see you have that exercise on أسماء الإشارات. Alors, إملا كل فراغ بكلمات مناسبة مما يأتي. Alors, les mots, les demonstrative pronouns are in the brackets, okay? You can see, on a هذا, on va s'en servir pour masculin مفرد, okay? هذه, مؤنث, okay? مفرد. And هذاني pour deux masculins. Et هاتاني, le dernier, pour deux féminins. Alors, let's do it orally. Le premier, on the right side, you have شارع. Alors, la terminaison, c'est normal. شارع veut dire one road. Alors, you have to put, and it's masculin, okay? مذكر. So, you have to put the first one, هذا شارع. Number two, أرجوحة. It se termine par ta marbuta. Donc, it's a مؤنث words, okay? C'est féminin. So you have to put the second. هذه أرجوحة. أرجوحة بمعنى swing, balançoire. Number three. درجتان. See the ending, يتاني. So you have to put the last one. هاتان درجتان. Deux bicyclettes. Next. مسبح. It's normal. مذكر. Donc il faut mettre le premier. هذا مسبح بمعنى swimming pool. Le dernier, première colonne, جداران. So the ending is ani. So you have to put the third one. هذان جداران. Deux murs. Next, second column. سيارتان. يتان verb ending, so you have to put the last one. هاتان سيارتان. These are two cars. Okay, deux voitures. Next, قطاران. قطاران termine par ani, so you have to put the third one. هذان قطاران. C'est duel masculin. Ok, deux traits. Next, طائرة. Alors ça termine par ta marbuta, donc it's mu'annaf, féminine. The second one, هذه طائرة. This is a plane. Next, هاتف. هاتف, c'est muzakkar, masculin. Le mot, il n'y a pas ta marbuta, donc c'est le premier. هذا هاتف. This is a téléphone. Next, the last one, ثلاجة. Termine par ta marbuta, donc ça va être le deuxième. هذه ثلاجة. See, this is a refrigerator, ثلاجة. Next, okay, donc you have to do it. It's very easy to complete the demonstrative pronoun here on the line. طيب. Tous les vocabulaires avec leur meaning dans le devoir qu'on vient de faire on top. Ok, معنى الكلمات, meaning de ces mots-là, on a vu qu'il y avait pour les mots qu'il y avait dans le devoir de demonstrative pronoun pour هذا هذه هذان هاتان. Ok, alors let's see the meaning. You can copy it in your copybook. شارع بمعنى road, ok, le chemin. أرجوحة, c'est swing, c'est balançoire. Next, دراجتان, c'est two bicycles, ok, دراجة become دراجتان. مسبح, c'est le pool, swimming pool, ok, la piscine. Et جداران, two walls, جداران, deux murs. Deuxième colonne, vous avez les mots comme سيارتان, deux voitures, two cars. سيارتان. Next, you have قطاران, two trains, deux trains. قطاران. طائرتان, two plane, one plane, sorry, ok, un avion. Et l'autre, هاتف, téléphone, ok, and ثلاجة, refrigerator. Okay, tous ces mots vocabularies you can copy in your copybook as usual. So انتهى الفصل هناك. شكرا لكم. مع السلامة.